Password managers solve a really important problem, and that's your team using the same weak passwords for multiple logins, constantly threatening the security of your business and its valuable data. But despite this, password managers don't seem to be liked that much, which is crazy because they do such a great job of protecting your business. So if you're not already sold, here are 3 ways password managers will improve your team's productivity. 1. Auto login. They give your team fast access to sites and services. Say goodbye to resetting your password every time you try to access something. 2. Stronger password generation. Within a second, your password manager will suggest a long, complex password that will help prevent future attacks. 3. Easy fill online forms. Gone are the days of filling out each field individually. Personal and payment information can be completed in just a click, safely and securely. Get in touch with us today to chat about which password manager is best for your business.